Hey guys, taking a look at 1 inch, and I think we have a pretty good opportunity here to buy in the low fives and sell near $10. And here's why I think that. So we've seen a 1 inch in a long-term range from late January until basically last week. It's gone from 350 up to about $6, back down to around 350, back up to 650, and just bounced around here for quite a while. And now we're finally seeing us get above that 650 number, and now we're back into it. So what I think is going to happen here is Bitcoin is going to make another pullback. I don't think we're done with it yet, although a lot of people are celebrating it like we are. And when it does, 1 inch seems to be holding really strong around the 520 mark. I mean, at its lowest here, what did it go to? About 511. So I'm going to assume that 1 inch will probably gain a little bit of ground here while Bitcoin starts to go up a little bit. It'll come up to probably around 630-ish, come back down to test this 520 one more time. And then when that happens, I want to buy. And then I believe we're heading to $9.80-ish. We probably will go really close to $10. And that would actually match up really well, where if it comes down and bounces off this, it'll match up really well with this trend line, the one that it's held support on here and held resistance on here. I believe that matches up almost perfectly. So my expectation is we'll probably hit it somewhere around May 24th, May 25th. I just think that it just happens this way a lot more than I've seen. And so I just want to believe that's what's going to happen this time around. So it may not be that exact date, but I do believe we will go really close to $10, probably set a sell at around like 970 just to give myself some cushion. But 520 to 970 would be a very nice turnaround in about 10 to 11 days. 1 inch has a lot of good stuff going on. They are really building out their network. I'm really liking the project itself. So I am bullish on it, and I'm going to be looking forward to this movement. I just wanted to share what I saw with you guys so that you could possibly take advantage of it as well. And if you have another coin you'd like me to take a look at, please leave it in the comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe and follow, and I look forward to making another video for you soon. Take care.